Good morning guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to prepare a flourless maple walnut cake, which is super easy to prepare. It's lower in carbs, very delicious. You could actually incorporate it in any kind of diet, maybe except of the keto diet. If you want to know how to prepare this cake, just stay with me and I show you how to do that. So you may ask yourself, what the hell, how do I prepare a cake without any type of flour? Well, you're going to use a little bit of flour, but it's not a regular flour, it's almond flour. You need 125 grams or 3.5 ounces if you're in the US. You need 2 cans of beans. I use white beans, but you could use any type of beans, kidney, black beans, pinto, whatever you have. You need a tablespoon of vanilla and 4 eggs, okay? So I'm going to blend everything together and I will be back with you in a minute. We're back. We mix everything together. Now we just combine it with the almond flour and I'm going to add a little bit of coconut oil. I would say about a half cup should be enough. Okay guys, as you can see, I mixed everything together. It's just a little bit of coconut oil and the almond flour with the bean maple mixture. Okay, so I'm going to combine everything, and in the meantime I'm heating up the oven to 375 Fahrenheit or 190 Celsius. This is the mixture. I'm going to transfer this mixture into my buttered spring form. The oven is ready. I'm going to pop it in the oven for 30 to 40 minutes. And in the meantime, we're going to prepare the icing, because what is a cake without icing, right? Okay, so in the meantime, while the cake is in the oven and baking, we're going to prepare the icing, because as I said, what is a cake without icing, right? So the ingredients are 115 grams of cream cheese. I'm going to use the zero or the fat-free version. You can use whatever kind of cream cheese you just have at home. You need 2 tablespoons of butter at room temperature, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and icing sugar. As I said, I'm not using any kind of sugar. I'm going to use xylotol. Use icing sugar if you don't count the carbs, that's okay. Okay, we're doing a sugar and flour free version today, so I'm going to use xylotol. Okay, so I'm going to prepare my icing and I will be back with you once my cake is ready and I can show you the end result. So I just mixed up everything. This is my icing, and yeah, I'm going to show you the end result once the cake is ready and I put the icing on top. Okay, so I will be back with you shortly. Welcome back guys, this is the finished maple walnut cake. As you see, I decorated it with a little bit of walnuts and a drizzle of maple syrup. So if you like this recipe, please leave a comment below, subscribe to my channel. If you have a wish for a recipe, just leave a comment. I hope to see you in the next video.